Self-Development Series. Self-Compassion by Dr. Jacksan Fernandes. Self-compassion refers to the psychological notion and practice of being kind to and accepting of oneself, even in the face of one's own shortcomings and pain. It's a kind and nurturing way of responding to oneself, just how we could treat a dear friend or loved one who is going through a tough period. Among the most important aspects of self-compassion are: self-kindness entails treating oneself with love, compassion, and forgiveness in the face of difficulties and setbacks. It implies not being too hard on oneself. Humanity shared by all, an acceptance of the universality of pain, failure, and fallibility. Realizing that you are not alone in your challenges helps you to feel less alone in them. Mindfulness is the act of paying attention in a non-judgmental, welcoming manner to one's internal experiences. Being mindful entails paying attention to how you're really experiencing right now. There are many mental and emotional gains to be gained by practicing self-compassion. Self-compassion's ability to foster a more encouraging and less critical internal discourse has been linked to a decrease in stress. Self-compassion practitioners tend to be more resilient, meaning they are better able to pick themselves up after experiencing setbacks or failing at something. Because it aids in the management of unpleasant emotions, self-compassion is linked to increased emotional stability and well-being. Self-compassion, by encouraging an internal value that is independent of external validation, might paradoxically boost one's self-esteem. One's capacity to form meaningful connections with others improves when one treats herself with kindness and acceptance. The first steps in developing self-compassion are: mindfulness is the skill of paying attention in a non-judgmental way to one's internal experiences. Use constructive internal dialogue by questioning and replacing self-criticism with positive affirmations. Focus on your own mental and physical health by making self-care a top priority. Reach out to people you trust, such as friends, family, or a therapist, and talk about how you're feeling. Techniques for cultivating compassion for oneself. Try some of the mindful self-compassion activities that may be found in books, online, or in therapy. Visit jacksanfernandes.com for more info. Keep in mind that learning to be kind to oneself takes time and effort. It's particularly useful at trying times, when you need to treat yourself with the same compassion you'd show someone else in need. Many thanks. Please help me spread the word by subscribing to my channel and sharing the work of Dr. Jacksan Fernandes.